In this video, we will talk about self-join. Self-join is itself not actually a join, but here we make use of aliases to create different aliases for the same table to find out some useful results. Okay, so it is better to explain this concept with the help of an example. So here I am back in the employees table only, and here let's just edit this query. Well, let's write a query for self-join. Select star and then from, and now I write the table name employees, and then I specify the alias as 1, and then again I write the same table name by following comma, and here I specify the alias 2. Okay, so it is same as select star from employees. It's just that I have given the reference 1 and 2 to the same table. Okay, I'll just run this one. You see it gives the entire table, but here you will see we get each column 2 times, okay, because of this alias thing only. So we have a birth date column in the employees table. I want to find out the employees whose birthday are on same date, okay, that I can do with the help of self-join. So I'll edit the query. Now for self-join, I'll write a where clause. And first of all, the first thing I define is the ID of the two should not be equal, okay. So I will write 1.employee number should not be equal to 2.employee number. Okay, this may seem a little bit complex to you, but please try to understand. As you will practice, you will definitely come to know about it yourself. So here I've defined 1.employee number should not be equal to 2.employee number. You can also use this symbol in MySQL, it also works. Now I want to find out which employees have the same birth date. So what I do is 1.birth date is equal to 2.birth date. Okay, so this is the query, and as you know, this is a huge result set, so I'm just limiting the results to 100. So let's just run this query. So now you see all of the employees together which have the birth dates on same day. Okay, so you see 2nd September 1953. So we have around 6 employees whose birthday fall on the same date. You can see these employees, and similarly the different employees are there. Okay, and to avoid the duplicate columns, I can just simply edit this query to select 1 dot first name and 1 dot last name. Okay, and also the birth date. Let me just run this one, and now you see we got the employee names whose birthday fall on the same date. So using this way, you can find statistics like employees having the same name, or you can find the statistics like employee who are hired on the same date. You can do a little bit brainstorming to find out where self joins can be useful.